Okay guys, so it's the next day and I actually had to take a break because I was missing a couple things, and I was able to go to Michael's today and pick up a couple items from them that were having their 60% off sale. So I was able to pick this up. The sign was originally $16. I think I paid like $6.20, and it's this nice looks like a nice wood finish. I'm thinking of leaving it this color just because it matches my frame that's on top of the fridge that says Love Lives here, and my cutting board is also kind of this color. I'm gonna try to see if I like it. If not, I'll just end up painting it white, but I think it's pretty nice, and it just has like a real natural wood tone to it. And I'm gonna set it off to the side so that my camera's not trying to focus strictly on that. And that's happened to me before on videos. And it's such a pain in the ass after you film all these videos to go back and see that something is not right. And again, all of Michael's foliages were 60% off. So some of these can be pretty pricey, you guys. And you know, just to give you an example, these would have cost $14.99. Actually, just $14. And it's kind of like a wheat. Let me see if camera wants to focus here. It's kind of on the yellow side. Very, very good quality. Extremely good quality. I wouldn't pay $14 for it, but you know, it's good quality, so why not, right? This came out to be about $8 or something like that, around that price range. And this is something I can probably use year by year, even though I'm very neutral. I consider these colors, these very muted colors, kind of like a muted yellow, off-white type of color. And that was my dryer that just stopped. Sorry about that, guys. Anyway, I like the color. It's very neutral, has a yellowish, a light yellow golden color to it, and to me this is neutral enough for me to add to my decor. And then I picked up this guy right here, and it's a little bit more lanky. It has a nice white colors. So I'm gonna be adding this also to my decor. You know, originally I wanted to add it to some of the pieces that I'm putting here and there, like cutting it up, but I might make an arrangement. They're so pretty. And I got this eucalyptus little bush here, originally $16. So, I mean, I think the most I paid was like $8, and I don't even think that was, I think that was this bunches of flowers that the original price was $18, and this says Bush Gerb Fleurie. I don't know what that means. I don't know what kind of flowers these are, but they're so pretty. And so I don't know if I have to make an arrangement or not, but all of that, you guys, everything I just showed you right now everything came out to be $35, which I don't think is bad. You see, I was gonna do like things like, you know, take them apart and then, you know, add them to the pumpkin. That's really what I want to do, or really what, you know, my original intentions. And then I picked up some more pumpkins. I have a spring wreath that I bought in Ross. And I bought that in my first house, in my second house, or you know, the one previous to this one, and I just love it so much, and I think it's perfect. So I'm thinking of just adding some pumpkins, like just a little dab of hot glue and adding some pumpkins, and using that one in my kitchen. And then I have one for the outside, which is the burnt oranges and the reds and the yellows and all that, the more traditional colors. So I'm gonna be adding pumpkins to that one as well. So I just picked up a whole bunch of different pumpkins, and no, they're not staying this yucky green color. I'm gonna be spray painting them. And then these are pretty cute with the little flowers. So I'm gonna see if I can arrange that. And I just picked up a whole bunch of these. I only found one burlap pumpkin, so I don't even know if I'm going to use that this year or not. And let me see. So this little, let me see if I can get closer to you guys. Little gold colored pumpkin. I'm trying not to make this into a haul. And if it ends up being too long, I'll probably separate it from my kitchen thing. But I just wanted to like incorporate some new items. I didn't feel like I had enough things to decorate my kitchen. And this is from the Dollar Tree, you guys. And you know, I found these with the same kind of light yellow golden color. You know, so those are the dahlias. I'm sorry, this is the dahlias. So I just got one of these, and then I got the hydrangeas in that nice yellow pale color. So I guess that's the color for this year. And while I was in the Dollar Tree, I couldn't resist, you guys. They have Christmas picks already, and I've learned from past mistakes that when they have it, you have to pick it up. So I picked up 3 of these. It's kind of like a random buy. That's why I only picked up 3. You know, if you guys go all out for Christmas, you know, with arrangements and stuff, I suggest you get there as soon as possible. Okay, so now that we have everything, I'm gonna do a quick DIY with these pumpkins, put my wreaths together, and of course that will be a separate video, because if not, this will be way too long. And start thinking how I'm gonna use my florals, if in fact I'm gonna use them in my decor, or if I'm just gonna do a floral arrangement. And stay tuned. We're gonna be right back with that, you guys. So if this is a video on itself, it might be a video on itself. I'm not sure yet, because I don't want things to be too long. I think my last video was a little on the long side. So just in case, you know, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe down below, you guys. And I'll see you in the next Fall Decorate With Me video. So make sure that you give me a thumbs up if you like this stuff, okay? I'm doing all this for you guys, and obviously for my family, but having so much fun doing it. All right, see you in the next one. Bye.